631 kilometers of range from a compact 7-seat SUV. That number should not exist in this segment. Mercedes just turned the GLB into something the competition cannot touch, a long-range electric family hauler built on 800-volt architecture. This is the 2026 Mercedes GLB 250 Plus with EQ technology, and the engineering here breaks the rules of what compact EVs can do. The illuminated grille features 94 individually animated LED stars surrounding that glowing three-pointed badge. The connected headlamp setup flows into a light band that wraps across the entire front fascia. This is not a crossover pretending to be premium. This looks like a shrunken EQS. The proportions grew in all the right places, nearly 2 inches longer, over an inch wider. The wheelbase stretched 2.4 inches, and that extra length went straight to the passengers. Open the frunk, and you will find 127 liters of bonus storage. That is where Mercedes hid the space other EVs waste on a motor. The powertrain tells the real story. 268 horsepower from a single rear motor. 247 pound-feet of instant torque. 0 to 62 in 7.4 seconds. Not face-melting fast, but quick enough to merge with confidence while hauling the entire family. Step inside, and the cabin explains where Mercedes invested the development budget. The optional MBUX superscreen stretches across the entire dashboard. 3 displays merge under a single glass surface. A 10.25-inch instrument cluster for the driver. A 14-inch center touchscreen for navigation and media. Another 14-inch display exclusively for the front passenger. The system runs on MB.OS with artificial intelligence from both Google and Microsoft. The virtual assistant understands natural conversation. Google Maps calculates routes factoring terrain, temperature, charging stops, and traffic simultaneously. The material selection punches above the price point. Circular air vents with silver shadow detailing frame the screens. The floating center console houses wireless charging and generous cup holders. The door panels feature concave storage areas that actually fit real items, but the party trick hides in the roof. The standard panoramic glass creates an open, airy cabin. Upgrade to sky control, and the glass switches from transparent to opaque in milliseconds. At night, 158 illuminated stars embedded in the roof tie into the ambient lighting system. Yes, like a Maybach. In a compact SUV, the 7-seat configuration remains the GLB's secret weapon. The third row actually accommodates humans, not just groceries pretending to be passengers. The second row slides forward and back 140 millimeters, trading legroom for cargo space depending on the mission. With all seats folded, you unlock over 1,700 liters of storage. Mercedes also thought about families with small children. 4 child seat mounting points spread across the second and third rows. No compromises. The magic lives in the efficiency. Mercedes borrowed the silicon carbide inverter and 2-speed rear transmission from their MMA platform. The heat pump came directly from the Vision EQXX concept car, the one that drove over 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. That technology now sits in a family SUV. The 85 kilowatt-hour battery feeds the 800-volt system, allowing charging speeds up to 320 kilowatts. 10 minutes on a fast charger adds 260 kilometers of range, enough to grab lunch while the car prepares for another 4 hours of highway driving. The driver assistance package includes 8 cameras, 5 radar sensors, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and enough computing power for future over-the-air updates. The transparent hood feature projects a virtual view beneath a vehicle during parking. Pricing starts at €59,000 for the GLB 250 Plus. That positions it against the BMW iX1, while delivering significantly more range and an extra row of seats. The Tesla Model Y costs less but cannot offer the 7-seat packaging or this level of interior refinement. Is it perfect? Rear-wheel drive only means winter traction depends entirely on good tires. The acceleration will not frighten sports car owners. Some interior materials below knee level remind you this remains a compact Mercedes, not an S-Class. But those trade-offs fund the technology that matters. Mercedes built this for families who refuse to choose between electric freedom, genuine luxury, and practical space. 392 miles of range, 7 seats, 800 volts of charging speed. One decision. If this changes how you see compact electric SUVs, the next video covers a car that makes even less sense on paper. Hit subscribe so you do not miss it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.